All right, for this week's Tuesday video, we're going to do an unboxing of my Zoya Earth Day haul. It's a mini haul. It's not anything impressive, but for those of you that don't know, every year Zoya does a sale on Earth Day, and it's usually at least 50% off, but they usually include goodies. This year they added the white brushes for every polish that you bought, and if you bought 12 or more, they included a travel kit of the jelly cure system. So I grabbed 12 because I wanted that, and I almost didn't buy any because I was like, okay, they just had a 70% sale, maybe wait for the next 70% sale. But then when I saw the jelly cure thing plus the white brushes, I was like, okay, it's worth it, do it. So I did it. Now we're gonna go over them, and that's it. I'm not gonna swatch them or anything, but just kind of want to show you guys. All right, after I received them, because I have usually an ongoing wish list for Zoya, and I just grabbed 12 of them, the ones that caught my attention from my list at the time. And when I received them, I realized that I grabbed so many like purples and greens, plus some off colors that are not there, but you'll see. First up, we have this gorgeous glitter. It's, I don't know how to say it, but I think it's Katie, K-A-E-D-E. This is from last year's winter collection. It has like very tiny gold flakies and then like pieces of something that looks like broken glass. Super cool. Next up, I grabbed Wyatt, and this green, so gorgeous. I have been seeing this color pop up on my feed sometimes, and I just, every time I see it, I'm like, okay, make sure this is on your wish list. It was. No, it's not anymore. Next up, we have Neely, and this is like a minty green. Super gorgeous. Love this. I don't think I swapped the brushes yet, but I will, especially in the cream ones. I love, as you guys know by now already, I love the Zoya white brush. Next up, we have Lake, and this is a turquoise kind of color. It's like green and gray and hints of blue at the same time. It's one of my favorite, like, you know, colors to buy, if that's not obvious. Girl, so many. Next up, we have Breezy, and this is like a blue teal kind of thing. I don't know. What do you guys see on this? Love it. Next one is Yummy, and this is like a sky blue, baby blue type of thing, but maybe a little bit dustier. If you put Yummy next to Breezy, they're nowhere near. And then if you grab Neely and put it next to Lake, same situation, right? They're not anywhere close. Let's move on to the next box. Next up, we have Marley, and this is like a lilac, but it has a shimmer on it. It's very delicate. I have no idea if it's gonna show on the nail or not, but I love the base color, so I really don't care if the shimmer shows or not. If it shows, great. If not, whatever. Next up, we have Carrie, and this is just a gray. You can put it next to Marley, and I have others that I'll probably be doing comparisons with, but these colors are gorgeous. Next up, we have Lotus, and this has a shimmer that's like golden pink or maybe golden fuchsia, I don't know, or like a muted dusty mauvey purple. It's very, very gorgeous. I don't have anything like this. I was really looking forward to this color, so I'm glad I have it. Next up, we have Vesper. I don't remember where this one's from. It's from last year, either fall Sensual collection or the Twinkling from winter. Probably fall. It looks fall-y to me. I don't remember exactly. But it's a purple, gray, but like dusty. Next up, we have another purple. Malia. I don't know where this one's from, but it's gorgeous. It feels more springy than fall-y. And then last but not least, a pink. Has nothing to do with the rest of them. This is Whitney, and I love this for summer, like pedicures and stuff. It's really, really nice. It doesn't have a shimmer or anything, it's just a cream color. So, if you look at the purples together, they're really not even in the same, like, anything. It's like they're completely different. And then if you look at the gray slash, you know, green, they're also pretty different. Overall, I have pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cream colors, 1 super glittery glitter thing, and 2 that have a very slight shimmer. So like I said, mostly purples or greens. I don't know. What did you guys grab? Did anybody, let me know in the comments below if you grabbed anything, if you actually went for the 12 for the jelly cure, if you didn't. Do you guys usually wait for the Zoya Earth Day sale? I know, like I said, they just had a 70% one that was fantastic. So if you took advantage of that one, you probably didn't take advantage of this one, but I kind of like missed the 70% one. So the place that I'm sitting on right now, the light keeps changing and this is insane. But that's it for this one. It's a very short unboxing type of quick thing, and I just wanted to show you guys what I grabbed from the sale, and that's about it. Let me know if you guys liked it in the comments below. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like this types of video, just so that I know. Let me know. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.